The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, Southern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, Northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, Southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, Northwestern McClain County in central Oklahoma, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles east of Tuttle, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Southwestern Edmond, Moore, Midwest City, Del City, Newcastle, Bethany, Mustang, Choctaw, War Acres, The Village, Tuttle, Spencer, Nichols Hills, Jones, Tacoma Park, Valley Brook, Tinker Air Force Base, Forest Park, and Woodlawn Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.